Struggling to buy or sell on eBay because the language is wrong? In 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to switch it. No guesswork, no complicated menus, just a simple fix that takes less than a minute. First, log into your account. Then we'll head to the footer to find the language settings. Let's go. All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up your browser. Any browser works. Chrome, Firefox, Safari. Then head on over to ebay.com. Just type it in and hit enter. It's that simple. Don't worry if the page loads in a language you don't understand. We're about to fix that. Now, if you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in to your eBay account. This is a crucial step. The language setting is tied to your account, not just your browser. So if you try to change it without logging in, the option just won't be there. Enter your email and password, or whatever method you use to log in, and get yourself signed in. I've tested this dozens of times, and you have to be logged in for the setting to stick. Once you're signed in, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. And I mean all the way down, past all the listings, past the deals, past the links to help and contact us. You're looking for what's called the footer. It's that dark gray or blue area at the very bottom of every eBay page. Now here's where a lot of people get tripped up. On the bottom right-hand side of that footer, you'll see something that says Currency Preferences. I know. You came here to change the language, not the currency. But stick with me. Right next to that currency preference link, you'll see a small icon of a flag. That flag represents the language of the site you're currently viewing. Click on that flag icon. A little pop-up or drop-down will appear with a list of flags. Each flag represents a different language. Scroll through and find the flag that corresponds to the language you want to use. For example, if you want the site in Spanish, look for the Spanish flag. If you want German, look for that flag. It's visual and easy to recognize once you know what to look for. Go ahead and click on the flag for your preferred language. Then you'll see a button or a link that says Set. Click that to apply your changes. The page is going to reload. This might take a moment to process. Give it a few seconds. And that's it. You're done. The page should now be in the language you selected. You can navigate, search, buy, and sell with confidence because everything makes sense again. From feeling completely lost in a foreign interface to confidently navigating in your preferred language. That's the whole transformation in under a minute. Thanks for sticking with me. If this helped, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. It really helps other people find this solution too. And I'll see you in the next one.